Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Fusion. Stock number is A6748. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera here on the back. A look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, power adjustable seats. You have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.